Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install a sprocket and a crank arm to your BMX bike. Alright, right now I have my crank arm and sprocket off. Should look like this with the pedal. Alright, you're going to need two kinds of Allen wrenches. You can figure this out yourself, what sizes. And I have here a 25 tooth Eastern sprocket. I'm going to install it here. Okay. This is what you're going to do. Pretty much you're going to want to install the sprocket to the crank arm first, to this screw here. So it should look like this. Should attach it like so. Okay. Now you're going to take your larger screw, this screw, just going to simply put it through. Now it should look like so. I just have to screw on the bolt a little bit more. Okay. Now from here, it's nice and screwed on. Now you want to align your pedals opposite from each other so they'll get the right spin. So pretty much just tap it on. Alright. Once you think your chain is nice and tough, or your sprocket, should look like this. Now you're going to want to put your long bolt onto the middle. That's just to hold on the actual crank arm and the sprocket and put everything together again. Let's do that. And it should look like that, and you can just fast forward through the video, just see me screwing it on, and then just screw that on. Now you'll take your small Allen screw and put that through the top of the crank right here. This is to install the crank arm onto the crank or the axle, so it has a nice hold. It should look like this. Then you have your installed sprocket and crank arm and pedal. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe for more how-to videos.